In this video, I will show you how to remove text box border in Microsoft Excel program. So once you have the text box like insert and text box, so you have this border line. To remove this border line, simple and basic way you can try. Just select this text box and right click, and here click on format shape. So in this sidebar you will see the option line. Select it and select no line. Click anyway. So we have now this text box without border. And also guys, you can remove background color. So select your text box and here in fill color option select no fill and click anyway. And also guys, you can change the background color. Almost default color is the white for text box, but you need some other color. So get selected and right click on it, format shape, and in the field you can have the some options like gradient, pictures, pattern, or solid fill. You can select any color from here. Like this. So this is the way you can remove text box borders in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.